Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, we're about to show you a video of the Rampage hitting triple digits with ease. Cool thing about this video is we're going to show two perspectives. We're going to show the Rampage from outside with me filming it, and we're going to also show it with the GoPro with the speed GPS on it. The sequences will be back to back, so you see part of the pass from the outside perspective in the same amount of time and distance. Then you'll see it from onboard the boat from the same amount of time and distance. The boat will be running on 6S with our Oxidean by Castle Hydra XL ESCs, our 1450 kV 8-pole motors that nobody else has. Nobody has 8-pole motors out here. And believe it or not, our OPS L01 steers this big ass boat. But enough of the talk. Let's get this thing charged up and get this video started. I haven't driven this boat in a while, so I'm gonna take her easy. Get back used to her driving style and what she likes. Oh man, this thing's like a Cadillac. I forgot what this thing's like to drive. I'm gonna open her up. Slowly but surely, and gradually. Oh yeah, I got her to full peg. Slowly but surely, and gradually. Oh yeah, I got her to full peg. Is there any roller for me to be concerned at down here? There is a little bit of roller down here for me to be concerned about. So I'm going to let the roller dissipate a little bit, because I'd like to get a successful pass out of this. I would like to come shoot her down successfully. Hopefully all this roller goes away. It looks pretty well dissipated. Shall we? Full peg. Oh, she didn't want to stop. One more two-way pass.
Battery 30.0.
This boat sure is smooth. I'm doggone curious what speed we hit. I'll just go for it. Full peg. Out of it. Whoa! It still barely stopped in time. Thing sure does have a lot of coast afterward. I love this boat. I cotton pick and love this boat.
External battery 29.
Now that was a lot of fun, wasn't it, boys? The Rampage is just an awesome boat. Such a strong construction. And those both perspectives really give you a chance to see how she runs. While I've got you, I want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching these videos, for liking them, for subscribing, telling your friends about them. One thing that I wanted to bring to you guys' attention is Facebook. Facebook has a lot of misinformation and just complete weirdos that don't really have a personality. So they get a lot of attention on there by kind of just like pretending they know what they're talking about. And they tend to bash our products. That being said, a lot of the Facebook groups have me blocked because they don't want people to see our products. They want people to think that Pro Boat or TFL is the way to go when our products are actually the best. It's so weird because they're just worried about me benefiting from it, which in reality, you guys know, we all benefit from it. In fact, the RC boating community benefits from it because everything goes back into the RC boats. And yes, I know you see this beautiful car in the background. I've had this car since I was 19. That's not from RC boats. The way we can combat the bullshit and make sure that people get the word about the best RC boat products around, share this video in RC boat groups on Facebook. Just share it. Even turn off commenting. The haters are going to jump on and say a bunch of lies and bullshit. Just turn off commenting. Are you trying to be in and fit in with those goofballs, dude? Who cares if they shun you? We want people to see the best and see what's going on. My main thing is I love RC boats. And I hate to see bozos making a mockery of it on Facebook. Especially with this pretending that the Zonda is better than the Animal shit. Crazy. The Animal is the first rated run boat to hit 100 miles an hour, and ever since then, there's been every clown that can sign up for YouTube trying to say world's fastest this, world fastest that. We even got some jackass doing a comparison against the Zonda and the Animal now. Look at the Zonda and then the Animal. Component for component is an inferior boat. But these jack wagons want you to think differently simply because they don't want to see Bill Oxidean benefit from it. It's crazy. My thing is, and I don't really care about benefiting from it. My whole care is I love this sport and I don't like to see people misled by it. Like I said, jack wagons. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating.